Welcome to Canaan Valley Resort, room 115. As you enter the suite, this is a king suite. There is a nice large closet with a extra leaf for the dining room table, and then a very spacious living area, desk, sectional couch, fireplace, and TV. You can see that there are 2 balconies, and there's the eating area. So there's 2 sitting chairs. There's a nice wet bar area with a microwave and a large coffee pot, full-size coffee pot with Wolfgang Puck coffee. And there's some tea. And then a large mini fridge too. So in this king suite, there are 3 balconies, all which have chairs and a table outside. So we're on the first floor, as you can see. And they have 2 chairs. So for room 115 here, you have a nice view of the trees and a little view of the swimming pool too in the distance over the hill. Here's the couch. Has a lot of room in here for a family, or if you just want to spread out. It was only $30 more a night than the queen balcony, so I booked this. It was great. It's a lot of room. See, this is the separate bedroom area with its own desk and chair, and it has its own balcony as well. And then in the bedroom too, it has its own microwave, mini coffee pot here. You can see a single serve coffee pot here, and then another refrigerator too. So you have lots of refrigerator space and your choice of microwaves to use. Here's the closet with the ironing board, pillows on top, and then an iron. There's a separate entrance into the bedroom if you'd like. And here's the bathroom. There are trail maps nearby, and there's indoor and an outdoor pool, so you have your choice. And they give a nice sheet of activities. There are 3 this is the main dining room, the Hickory dining room. It's a little grab-and-go pizza place, milkshakes, Seasons Cafe. Then the Laurel Lounge, more pizza and appetizers. There's golf. In the wintertime, there's an ice skating rink as well. And then you can see here's some of the activities. There's an arcade in the building too. You can see the outdoor pool times. We are here in June, so it is open. You could go for a scenic ski chair lift. It's $10 for an adult each way, or you could walk down yourself. And then a list of activities as well. Music, edible plant walk. So lots of good activities and a lot of fun at Canaan Valley Resort. We've stayed here before, and this is our 2nd time. And my husband went cross-country skiing the last time we were here. This time he's going to be backpacking in Dolly Sods. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the King Suite at Canaan Valley Resort, and thanks for watching.